Performance Boat Center is the world's largest high-performance boat dealership. Located in Osage Beach, Missouri. We buy, sell, trade, service, paint, and rig the world's most elaborate performance boats. The boats we were talking about are Wright Performance Boats. It's a collaboration between Doug Wright and his company and Performance Boat Center. Doug and his team build these hulls and decks, assemble them in Melbourne, Florida, and our expertise is in the finish work. So we bring the boats up extremely bare. We bring them over to our building here in Osage Beach, Missouri. We sand them, prime them, and paint them, and then we move them over to our rigging department, put the interiors in them, the sound systems, all electrical, mount the motors, windshields, that kind of thing, and finish them, and then we retail them out of Missouri. The customer is picking out every line, every color, every stripe, all the look, feel. So they're 100% custom. There's not two of them, not even close to being the same. We not only work on boats, we actually crew our own race team. We drive it all over the country, working on our spare time so all of our other projects stay on task. But we go out there, we show the nation and the crowd what we can do with the boats, and actually brings us in some business. We keep 8 or 9 of the world's most expensive boats here in the showroom. There's always some cars laying around, and it's open to the public. So folks will come in, they'll park a pontoon, they'll go have a burger and a beer over at Redhead Lakeside Grill and come over here and get to check out some of the coolest boats in the world, literally in the world. We're always doing demos. I've always got boats in the water that we can take somebody out in, so it's a full experience. You can be into boating or just want to come by and check it out, and we're very accommodating and we welcome people to come in and check it out, because we're into it. You have to be into it to be in this business. So it's a lifestyle, and I spent all day long yesterday out boating. I'm going to maybe boat tonight if this weather blows out, and take my parents' pontoon in on Tuesday. So that's what we're about.
At Missouri Life, we encourage you to spark your spirit of discovery and experience the wonderful people and places that make our state unique. Like and subscribe to the Missouri Life YouTube channel to stay up to date with full episodes, exclusive content, and much, much more.